Two big players in the health insurance world go head-to-head, but which one actually looks out for you? On one side, we have Anthem, a healthcare giant with a nationwide reach. On the other, Clover Health, the innovative newcomer promising a fresh take on Medicare. Let's move past the marketing claims and check out what really matters. We'll break down the key categories, score each one, and reveal who truly stands above the rest. The winner might just surprise you. So before we go category by category, check this out. Here's a quick mind map of what we're gonna break down. We've got price and value, coverage and network, member experience, transparency and simplicity, innovation, and finally reputation and stability. Yep, we're hitting all angles. Okay, let's kick things off with price and value. Anthem tends to have plans for every budget, which is great, but honestly, those large networks and all the options, that can end up with some higher premiums, especially if you want a PPO. Now over to Clover Health. They've really positioned themselves as a winner for Medicare Advantage folks with low and sometimes even $0 premiums. Plus, you get extra perks like dental and vision bundled in. The only catch? You're kinda limited to certain counties and out-of-pocket costs can bounce around. Still, when it comes to pure value for Medicare users, Clover Health is taking the lead here. Next up, coverage and network. Anthem just crushes it in terms of reach. We're talking a national network, tons of provider choices, pretty much anywhere you go, right? Perfect if you're a frequent traveler or you need specialist care. Only downside? The network and plan options can get a bit overwhelming. Clover, on the other hand, really focuses on the Medicare Advantage crowd, good access to docs and specialists, but again, only in a limited area. And if you're not in one of their zip codes, yeah, it's not even on the table. So for just sheer coverage and flexibility, Anthem has this one locked down. Alright, how about member experience? Anthem outfits you with digital tools and app, telehealth stuff, the usual for a big player. But and this is a big but customer service reviews are kinda all over the place. Now with Clover, they've got this tech angle that's honestly pretty cool. The Clover Assistant sort of helps your doctors make better calls for your care, and their whole model is about proactive health. They are still growing the support side, but honestly, for experience, especially if you're into digital health stuff, Clover Health is a little ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. In 2024, over half of all eligible seniors in the US are now enrolled in Medicare Advantage. Seriously, the space is heating up. Okay, back to the breakdown. Moving right along, transparency and simplicity. Anthem has info online for most plans, which is nice, but man, if you've ever tried to untangle an employer plan or an older legacy option, you know it can get confusing fast. Clover Health is like, nope, fewer options, focused on Medicare, let's keep it simple. They're all about communicating clearly with their audience, which, as someone who's navigated complicated plans, I totally appreciate. Clover takes this round. Let's talk innovation, and this is where things get interesting. Anthem is improving its digital health side, yeah, but it's still a massive company and just doesn't move that fast. Now, Clover, on the other hand, this is their playground. Their AI-powered Clover Assistant is supposed to help lower healthcare costs and actually improve care for members. The results aren't always night and day for everyone just yet, plus it only works in the Medicare Advantage world. But yeah, when it comes to shaking things up, Clover is really pushing the envelope here. And finally, reputation and stability. Anthem, what can I say? It's a Fortune 500 company, everyone's heard the name, and honestly, they're not going anywhere. Financially, they're rock solid. Sure, they're a bit slow sometimes because, well, big companies move slow. Clover Health, super techie vibe and a standout in the Medicare space, but it's a smaller company and they've definitely had a couple of bumpy years recently. So if you're someone who's all about trust and stability, Anthem is the easy pick here. So if you look at the scorecard, Anthem takes the win in coverage and stability, but Clover Health is ahead in value, experience, transparency, and especially innovation. It's not a total landslide either way, but interesting to see these strengths laid out. So here's my honest take. If you want broad national coverage, something you can count on, especially if your situation changes a lot or you travel, Anthem is just hard to beat. But if you're in Clover's region on Medicare and you want that tech-driven, connected care experience, with a bunch of extras thrown in, Clover Health is super appealing. End of the day, it really comes down to what matters most in your world. If this cleared things up, hit follow for more clear and honest health plan battles. Got a specific plan you want to see next? Drop it in the comments.